Hi, good evening all. Today we are here the topic of the series of systematic insights. Today we'll see about the majority of two topics. It covers of Boolean searching and level of evidence. So coming to Boolean search, what does it mean? It is a method of conducting searches that uses logical operators. These are also known as Boolean operators to combine or exclude specific terms specific terms, making it easier to narrow down or expand search results. So this is what the Boolean searching. This is my definition of Boolean searching. It's very clear that we have three different types of Boolean operators, which are of and or not. This is which simplifies of simplify of this Boolean searching. So why we require these Boolean operators means whenever we are going looking through any systematic searches in the literature searches, which means of we went to PubMed and we are going to select or search any type of literature we are looking at. For suppose example of methionine restriction in cancer, that whether enhance the chemotherapy effectiveness or it worsening the condition of the patient. So if I search these words in search bar, it might get few results or may not. But when we use these type of operators, Boolean operators and or not, we'll get the absolute outcome what we are thinking of. Let's here I have given the examples of and or not. So let's look into one by one. Hot and stroke. Whenever I use the and, here it will give of and stroke. These are both two different type of diseases I'm looking of. So it is giving this looking into of this such I will give the outcome. And it or when I'm typing cancer or tumor, I will get either or both. I will get the results of both. And while using of not, where I will get of what the sentence which after the not which I am saying of type 1, suppose in this test I have given the examples of type 1, so it won't give the type 1 diabetes, it only shows the type 2 or insulin resistance of type 1. It will all show in this way. This is the way you want to look into this Boolean searching. It will help you in systematic review process. So this is what this Boolean searching and Boolean operators. This will very helpful in your literature searches, not only writing of some literature reviews in every aspect. If you want to find something of information, suppose you are in the drug information center and you are when someone have doctor or physician or came and asked about this, and you want to search the effectiveness of the drug, then you can find which one is this and which one giving the good outcome. You can use this and or not based on your preference, based on your question, based on your protocol. You want